Hello everyone, welcome to Pi Institute. Here is another question, another important question from quadratic equations that comes from 4.3 exercise. Question number 3, find the roots of the given quadratic equations. Okay, so let's start. First example, first question, x minus 1 over x which is equal to 3. इसको सोल्व करना अब. ओके, तो इसको सोल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहली कंडीशन, इस पूरी इक्वेशन को x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे. किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दे? x से. तो x को x से मल्टीप्लाई किया विच इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 ओवर x को x से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो x से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 आएगा. ओके, 3 को x से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3x. ओके, इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज कर लो. एक्स स्क्वायर 3x को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसफ़र किया तो माइनस 3x और माइनस 1 ऑलरेडी था विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. इफ़ यू कंपेयर दिस इक्वेशन विद द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0, वी गेट a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now let's write down the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now plug in these values in the quadratic formula. We can easily get the roots of the given equation. So minus, and value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square means minus 3 square minus 4 into what's the value of a? 1, and c is minus 1 over 2 into what's the value of a? 1. So x is equal to, this becomes plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square is 9, and minus minus becomes plus when multiplied, so 4 1 ja 4 over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 13 over 2. We can get easily the square root of 13. So let's mark this as the root of the given equation. Okay, so that's how we can easily find the roots of the quadratic equations. Now here is another question. This question is very important, so let's do it. First of all, to solve this question we have to take LCM. Okay, and LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 7. Okay, this is equal to 11 upon 30. Now let's divide the LCM by denominator of first fraction. So if we divide this by x plus 4 get cancelled, we will remain with x minus 7, and x minus 7 multiplied by 1 same as x minus 7. The negative sign, because we are subtracting one fraction from the another fraction. Okay, so now if we divide LCM by this denominator, we get x plus 4 and multiply by 1, so we get x plus 4. Now remember, we have to put this in the bracket because minus sign appears before this. Okay, so let's solve this. X minus 7, minus sign appears before the bracket, so all the terms change their sign. So x becomes minus x, 4 become minus 4 over x plus 4 into x minus 7, which is equal to 11 upon 13. Now x get cancelled with x because plus x minus x makes 0. So minus 7 and minus 4 minus 11 over, now let's simplify this. X into x is x square, x into minus 7 is minus 7x, 4 into x is 4x, and 4 into minus 7 minus 28, which is equal to 11 over 30. Now we can cancel 11 1 ja and 11 1 ja. So this will be, if we do cross multiply, this will be multiplied with 1 and this will be multiplied with minus 1. So minus 1 over x square minus 7x plus 4x, we get minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 over 30. Now let's do cross multiplication. So this will be multiplied with 1, so same, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 30 will be multiplied with minus 1, so this becomes minus 30. So let's do this. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30. Okay, if we transfer minus 30 on the left hand side, this will become plus 30, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, we can use quadratic formula or we can use factorization method. Okay, now I am doing all the questions with quadratic formula, so here also I am applying the quadratic formula. Okay, so value of a is 1, what's the value of b is minus 3, and value of c is 2. Now what's the quadratic formula? Now I am writing this here. Okay, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2b. So x is equal to minus, what's the value of b? Minus 3 plus minus square root of b square means minus 3 square minus 4 into, what's the value of a is 1 into value of c is 2 over 2 into 1, because value of a is 1. Let's solve this. So x is equal to, this becomes plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square 9 and minus 4 to 8 over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 1 over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus minus, we know the square root of 1 is 1 over 2. Now we get two values of x. X is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 or 3 minus 1 over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 means 4 over 2 or 2 over 2. So value of x is 2 to the 4 or 2 1 2. So that's how we can solve the quadratic equations, and this is a very important question from examination point of view. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for liking this video and thanks for subscribing my channel. Thank you.